Okay guys, this is Rampage BMX, and sorry for my voice. I have a cold, so this is our first video, and it's going to be a bike check of my bike. So what I have is United bars, 9-inch rise by 30-inch long, with a Sunday freeze stem, pretty nice top load. I got a Redline frame. I have that BSD sticker on there, and yeah, and then I got Verde front rim, fully sealed, and I got Redline forks on the back. I got the same tire or same rim as Verde, with a sealed hub, back hub, 9-tooth driver. My front sprocket is a Shadow Conspiracy. It is a 28-tooth. I have thermal light pedals, stolen. And I got Redline cranks. With the seat, I got a Shadow Conspiracy Crow seat, pivotal. For my tires, I got Fit FAFs, white walls, and for my grips, I got ODI long necks, and I put these on backwards for a reason, because I like how they feel backwards with ODI bar ends. And I have a Kink white pivotal seat post. I have over here, I have a Shadow Conspiracy interlock chain. I have to order a new one because it didn't fit my sprocket. And so yeah, just please subscribe. We will make more videos of edits and different, just like how-tos and tutorials and all that. So thanks for watching. Bye.